Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best pruning shears for roses that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the ultra-sharp Japanese steel pruning shears by Craft 911, which is our budget pick. With a price tag of $12.99, this tool offers incredible value for gardeners who want sharp, efficient cuts without breaking the bank. The SK5 steel blades with titanium coating ensure durability and exceptional cutting performance, making it effortless to prune branches up to 3/4 inch thick. The ergonomic handles are designed for comfort, especially for users with weak hands or arthritis, and the non-slip grip enhances control in wet conditions. A built-in safety lock adds an extra layer of convenience, preventing accidental openings. However, while it performs well for light to medium pruning tasks, it may struggle with larger or more fibrous branches compared to premium models. Overall, this is an excellent entry-level option for casual gardeners. It's lightweight, easy to maintain, and versatile across various gardening tasks. The downside is its slightly lower durability compared to higher-priced competitors. If you're looking for a reliable, affordable option for occasional pruning, these shears are a great pick. Coming in at number 4 is the Fiskars Micro-Tip Rose Pruning Shears, which is specifically designed for precision tasks such as pruning delicate rose stems and herbs. At $13.88, these shears are a fantastic choice for gardeners who value precision. The stainless steel micro-tip blades cut all the way to the tip, ensuring clean and healthy cuts that promote plant growth. The non-stick blade coating prevents gumming and makes maintenance a breeze. The ergonomic soft grip handle is comfortable to hold and reduces fatigue during extended use, making them ideal for intricate tasks like shaping bonsai or trimming indoor plants. However, these shears are not meant for heavy-duty pruning, as their cutting width is limited to just under 2 inches. They excel in delicate, detail-oriented gardening, but won't be your go-to for thick branches. If you're a gardener who focuses on roses, herbs, or smaller plants, these shears offer great precision and ease of use. Their lightweight design and lifetime warranty add to their appeal, making them a worthy addition to your toolkit. Taking the third spot is the Top Book 5-pack Garden Pruning Shears Set. Priced at $17.99, this bundle is perfect for those who want an all-in-one solution for various gardening tasks. Each shear in the set features rust-resistant stainless steel blades that deliver smooth, clean cuts, ideal for trimming flowers, herbs, bonsai, fruits, and light branches. The set also includes a pair of gardening gloves to protect your hands during tough pruning sessions. The ergonomic handles are designed for comfort, with a non-slip texture to reduce hand fatigue, making this set suitable for extended use. The built-in safety locks on each shear add a layer of protection, preventing accidental injuries. However, while this set offers versatility, the individual shears may not perform as well on thicker branches compared to premium single tools. Additionally, the multicolor handles may appeal more to casual gardeners rather than professionals. If you're looking for a well-rounded set to cover a variety of gardening tasks, the Top Book 5-pack is an excellent choice. It's great for beginners or anyone who wants flexibility without spending a fortune. At number 2 is the Fiskars Bypass Pruning Shears, which has earned its spot as a high-performance tool at an affordable price. For $13.98, you get a bypass pruner that excels at making smooth cuts on delicate stems without damaging them. The steel blades are coated with a low-friction material that reduces gumming and enhances rust resistance, ensuring durability even with heavy use. One standout feature is the self-cleaning sap groove, which keeps the blades from sticking, making your pruning tasks faster and more efficient. The ergonomic design includes a non-slip grip handle and an easy open lock for added convenience. It's lightweight, weighing just over 10 ounces, and fits comfortably in most hands, making it suitable for extended gardening sessions. However, its cutting capacity is limited to 5/8 inches, which means it's best suited for flowers and thin branches rather than thicker stems. Overall, these shears are a fantastic choice for gardeners seeking a reliable, durable tool for everyday pruning tasks. With a lifetime warranty and consistent performance, the Fiskars Bypass Pruning Shears offer excellent value for the price. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Classic Pro 8.5-inch Professional Premium Titanium Bypass Pruning Shears by House & Garden. At $29.95, this is the premium option for serious gardeners who demand top-tier performance and durability. The high-carbon steel blades with titanium coating deliver razor-sharp cuts, reducing friction and ensuring precision pruning even on thicker branches up to 1 inch in diameter. These shears are built to last, with an anodized aluminum handle that resists rust and corrosion. The ergonomic handle design includes cushioned grips and shock-absorbing pads, making it ideal for users with smaller hands, seniors, or those with arthritis. The lightweight construction ensures comfort during extended use, while the adjustable blade tension adds versatility for different pruning tasks. These shears are preferred by professional landscapers and master gardeners for their reliability and high-quality build. However, the higher price point may deter casual gardeners who don't require heavy-duty performance. If you're looking for the best pruning shears for roses and other demanding gardening tasks, the Classic Pro is the ultimate choice. It's durable, efficient, and designed to deliver clean, healthy cuts season after season. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.